Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Samsung Remote for YouTube TV. So first, what you need to do is to pair your remote. So just ensure your Samsung Remote is paired with your TV. If you're unsure, head to Settings, then Remotes, and then Pair Remote. Next up, press the YouTube button on your remote control to open the app. Then, sign in to your YouTube TV account using your Google account credentials, and then use the directional pad on your remote to navigate through the YouTube TV interface. Then use the play, pause, rewind, and fast forward buttons to control video playback. To use the volume buttons to adjust the sound, just press on the icons that indicate the plus and subtract icon on volume. And then, for searching content, use the search button to find specific shows or channels. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.